DC Denzel. You already know what it is. I'm about to go to the gym. Had a long day at work. You know, I'm kind of dragging today, so I got a pre-workout. Explosion, you know. Hopefully this will wake me up. I'm trying something new. You know, I need the energy. Legs will kick your ass. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my much appreciated. And yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all enjoy, hopefully y'all can try it at home. You know, you don't have to do it. You know, I just do it because I love it and I'm trying to help others improve themselves, so. Begin with the abs. I begin every workout with abs. Working hard to get an 8-pack. So I start off with about 4 sets of 25. Alright, now we jumped off with the leg raises. I like to do about 3 or 4 sets, 15, depending how I'm feeling. And Trey's is real developed. His quads look real nice. Okay, now we jumped over to the squats. Really good full body workout. Make sure you squeeze your buns at the top. Squeeze. Yeah, we throwing 2 big girls on now. Got good form. Trey has really good form. You gotta have fun in the gym too, man. You gotta enjoy it. Life ain't that serious, man. I really feel this. I think I felt lightheaded on this one. I had to tell him I had to chill out, take a water break. Know when to stop. You know, don't be out there passing out, dying, playing the fitness. There's always another day to live. And they spinning, nigga. Alright, we got 3 big girls. This is really good to get thick. You got chicken legs like myself. My legs are my weak point by far. And the good thing about leg press, you can do toe raises at the end of every set. So you can knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. And you can go wide grip, or you can bring your legs in a little closer to hit the inner quad. Yeah, my legs are skinny as shit, and they're ashy. Go ahead, do the toe raises. Do about 4 sets of burnouts, many as you can. And to end it off, we did toe raises on the step up. Again, we do burnouts, many as you can.
Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new CNN, yeah.